Hey guys, today Kaylee is going to be doing the homework video. So these are the problems for the product problems. So do those problems and then play the video when you're done. Okay, so these were my answers that I got. For the first one, you have to do 7 times 7 times 7. So this is the expanded form. Then you would get 7 to the 6th power, that is exponential form. And for standard form, which you also have to do, it would be 117,649. For the second problem, expanded form looks like this, a lot of 8's. And the exponential form would be 8 to the 9th power. And then in standard form, it's 134,217,728. Then for the third problem, expanded form looks like this. And then for exponential form, it's x to the 4th power. And you can't do standard form on that because you don't know what the base number is. So then on the fourth problem, the expanded form looks like this, a lot of a's. And the exponential form looks like this, a to the 8th power. And again, you can't do standard form. So do quotient problems and then play the video. These are the quotient problems, so pause it and do these problems. So this is what the quotient problems look like in expanded form. You have to do 8 times 8 times 8 divided by 8 times 8. And then that equals, you have to cancel them out. So you just cancel the amount on the bottom to the top. And then that comes out to be 8 to the 2nd power. And in standard form, it's 64, because 8 squared is 64. Then in expanded form for number 2, it looks like this. 5x is on top, 4x is on the bottom. And when you cancel them out, it comes out to be x to the 1st power, which you can't do in standard form. Then for the third problem, it is this. That is what it is in expanded form. And then in exponential form, it's 7 to the 0 power. And in standard form, it comes out to be 1. Then for the fourth problem, it's just y times y divided by y, which would give you y to the 1st power. And yeah. So now do the negative exponent problems and play when you're done. Here are my answers for the negative exponent problems. So for the first problem, you're just doing 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4 because it's 4 to the negative 3rd power. And it comes out to be 1/4 to the 3rd power. And then in standard form, it's 1/64 because you're just doing that exponent right there. Then for the second problem, you just do 1/10, 1/10, 1/10, 5 times since it's 10 to the negative 5th power. And that comes out to be 1/10 to the 5th power. Then in standard form, it's 1/100,000th. So it's a really small number. And then for 2 to the negative 7th power, it's all these 1/2s. And you do that 7 times. So you're basically doing the fraction so that you can get rid of the negative. And it comes out to be 1/2 to the 7th power. And in standard form, it is 1/128. And for the final problem, you just do 1/15 times 1/15, which is 1/15 squared. And standard form, it's 1/225. So that's tonight's homework. And yeah.